I just went running up the thingamajigger.
Brimstone 1, we marked a few ore veins on your map. Grab those resources, you're gonna need them. Large arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended.
I said it's just a running thing tonight.
It's always something.
Throwing grenade!
Binary active.
It's a sniper down.
Delivering grenade!
You got a sniper.
Large arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended. Warning, arachnid threat has risen in severity.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
We're sending down a new M11E Marauder. Check the TAC map for drop coordinates.
Here comes our bull.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant. The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Makes 4.
Enemy arachnid patrol detected. Eliminate it to reduce arachnid threat levels in your AO. Attention! Elevated arachnid threat levels have been detected.
Okay, let's go.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
We're sending down new M11.
Dude, I'm trying to build a fucking wall here. Quit trying to repair the shit, asshole.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
Actually, you know what? I stand corrected. I apologize. He was actually building outside the zone. Okay, he was actually in the right. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Play nice, Dad.
I am. I'll admit when I was wrong. He actually was building outside the zone, not
Yeah, that was up.
He was 100% in the right.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
This still don't explain why he had to break the walls down around the arc. If you building outside the zone, you don't need the resources to do that.
True, but... Okay, we'll just call this what we broke even.
Yeah.
We were
Man,
both
I like what he did, but I still just think it should have been some small walls around the arc. I ain't tripping though. We still gonna.
Yeah, no, I guess I'll just let him engineer and just I'll show you what happens.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Sniper down at A. I said, okay, we kill him. Nah, he good. He good. He got killed.
He's good. He's alright.
At least he at base. You know, we got engineers
Right,
who
right.
don't like to be at
Oh,
base.
fuck that shit. I didn't make it.
At least he's running around kind of putting in some work.
Large
Yeah,
arachnid patrol
I really
detected in the
appreciate
field.
that.
Its destruction is
Yeah, I was
highly
like, Flex, I
recommended.
do some.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Arachnid threat levels are on the rise. Stay frosty, troopers.
See why you went down, Sniper. It's a lot of bugs that way you trying to run from.
Taking heavy fire. We're hit. Going down. Dropship has crashed nearby, Brimstone 1. Reclaim any assets for the Federation. Ripper, M11E Marauders are inbound. Check your tags out for details.
Advancing ability.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
It is going to be up.
Engineers actually engineering a base like the one from the last year.
Heads up, grenade out. Advancing ability.
Under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Yeah, I'm jumping there for a moment. myself.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. How much time we got left?
Oh, it's on my,
Alright.
119.
I don't think there's enough time, but I'm headed. Really don't think
If we get there, we're probably
gonna make it. Yeah, close to 40 years. Right. Now it just depends on what we come up with. Get there, of course, I guess.
Changing mag.
30 seconds.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
One on the right, let's see what we got. I'll take this.
Trauma stabilized.
Keep those
Large arachnid
bullshit,
patrol
I'll take it.
detected in the field.
Yeah, I'll take
Its
the
destruction is highly recommended.
Yeah, I already got it.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh.
Don't start buckle.
What the? We down. Ranger.
Oh,
The drop ship blew it.
blow it up. What the hell? Revive me, then I... Well, there goes my extra grenade.
That was some bullshit. Yep.
We got fucking all this kind of bullshit. Right when he's
Yeah.
fucking revived. It's actually trying to revive you. Get up, trooper off the ground.
The base is under attack in the
This game
southern
bullshitted all
quadrant.
three of us.
Yeah, nah, we got ambushed. Didn't expect this shit to be right there when we turned around. It's all good.
Well, win some, you lose some. Yep. Sorry, Mexican.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Yep, here to say. See nobody else out in the field. Might as well go help the ones who's out there.
Yeah.
You made it, though.
I'm not gonna go.
Vital signs of
Terminate the patrol.
I'm down.
Be advised, sensors indicate arachnid threat levels have risen.
Get off the...
Thank you for yourself.
I got no ammo. Request immediate resupply. Well...
Brimstone 1, we have reports of plasma bombardment in the region. Check the TAC map for the coordinates.
Brimstone 1, command has authorized a weapon drop. We have some M55 rocket launchers and nuclear munitions en route to your position. Check your TAC map for details.
God damn! Nothing's on the road. Oh, yeah, 1 second left.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
I really should have been wrong.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Oh, of course! No, that's what... Fuck, wait, no, one. Yoink! There's the losing point.
I had that.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Bleeding stopped.
Oh, you little bastard, get away from me. You ain't denying me, motherfucking gun.
Enemy arachnid patrol detected. Eliminate it to reduce arachnid threat levels in your AO.
Activating ability.
Attention! Elevated arachnid threat levels have been detected.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Brimstone 1, Vanguard unit has dealt with the plasma bombardments. Focus on the mission and return home.
Throwing grenade.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
Activating ability.
Higher to Brimstone 1. Ore levels sufficient. Time to move on. Keep up the pace and get that arc online.
Loading fresh mag.
All DSV units, gas refinery locations verified. We need the arc scanning ASAP.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Like the next two, the guns one.
First aid administered.
Jamek, you good? Like it?
Yeah. You stuck here.
You know, mute this whole time. He's here.
I like him. But he's
Be
smart.
advised, Arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol. Be advised, Arachnid threat levels have risen.
You're recording.
Refinery activated. Resources ready.
Brimstone 1. Fleet Command is requested to sit rep in your sector. We need a fleet relay built and transmitting. Get it done, Brimstone 1.
Delivering grenade! Ability active.
Brimstone 1, we have reports of plasma bombardment in the region. Check the TAC map for the coordinates.
Okay, that you need a stim.
Oh, yeah, I can use.
I'm not gonna drop around the
Oh. Your own best friend. Hey, that's not my drug account. I'm my own drug account.
Y'all wait till you reload and get your spot before I hit the go button.
yeah, I'm go. I'm up. Son of a bitch. Get up. Okay, I'm up. Later, motherfucker.
Enemy Arachnid patrol detected. Eliminate it to reduce Arachnid threat levels in your AO. Be advised, Arachnid threat levels have risen.
I guess for tonight. That's gonna be 4 or 5. Alright, next two to the field is RTV. This is Rangers and Things about to go grab the last one.
Grenade out! Loading fresh mag!
No, he went right over there.
Engineer down in the field.
Brimstone 1, a Vanguard unit has dealt with the plasma bombardments. Focus on the mission and return home.
We're sending down a new M11E Marauder. Check the TAC map for drop coordinates.
Hostile patrol is no longer a threat. All DSV units, gas refinery locations verified. We need the ARC scanning ASAP.
My chest is well, right?
Last reload. You might as well run this back. Oh, kill this little group.
Good?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I heard him.
Yeah. We
Okay,
just take one and come back and let somebody else come get the other one. One of the two.
Be advised, Arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol.
Pretty good dishing out,
Attention,
wasn't it?
elevated Arachnid threat levels have been detected.
The engines are definitely putting to work at
Refinery
You
activated.
got contact behind me, east. Got carrying that blue. Yeah, I sunk them motherfucker. I don't know.
ARC is filled and primed to slam, Brimstone 1. Last chance to build defenses. When that ARC slams, shit's gonna hit the fan.
Alright, everybody, I'll tell you, buddy. Everybody RTB to PP.
I just made can, bro.
The base.
Got a mech shoot at base.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Troopers, you got 30 seconds until the ARC slams.
Oh,
10 seconds. 10 seconds until the ARC is activated.
The base is under attack.
ARC has been fired. Data from the seismic pulse looks good. Expect a horde inbound to your location. ETA, now. Be advised, Arachnid threat levels have risen.
Oh yeah, I got up to 130 here. Look, I know play on Agni-Prime.
Arc is at 25% complete.
I'm down on my face.
Fight through the pain, Arthur. Just walk it off.
Oh, got an engineer out down outside there. Alright, get that. Oh my god.
Loading for smash. Loading for smash.
Data collection is reading at 50%. Keep that arc standing, Brimstone 1.
Changing magazines.
Got an engineer down on the west side.
Fight through the pain. Just walk it off.
Arc is at 75%. We're almost there, Brimstone 1.
Grenade going out.
Guardian down, right by the mixer. On the southwest side.
Dropping the move.
Hey, engineer's down. Two people down over here on the southwest. Man's definitely needed over here. I just got blown up by a fucking plasma trying to reload.
All data collection has been completed. Pack it up, Brimstone 1, and prepare for extraction.
Yep.
Emergency. Arachnid threat levels have reached critical. Bug horde is inbound. Size indeterminate.
Those ass
Vulture
things.
1 here. Bike in on the way for extraction.
God damn, fucking little bug. Good shit. Got an
This is
engineer
Vulture
down
1.
on
Move to
the
the
west.
designated LZ. All about.
Fucking plasma. I'm down, buddy.
Grenade going out.
Don't fucking do it.
Whatever you call it, silo or something. I fell off. And then can't get up.
You're using a cow.
Okay, I'll just keep killing as much as I can. Take that! Bug spray! Back at. I'll accept your friend request, Steph. Said Clever Clone.
Cool.
I'm just a one-friend drunk guy. I'll never be able to shoot a bug. Just one friend and drinking is my drug. But for reasons I've quite overly articulated, why do I need a clan of people to kill bugs? I'm not fully retarded. But Porkchops, you've got a friend in me. Porky, pork, oh porky, pork, you're known so far and so wide. Porky, pork, oh porky, pork, but there's some things you won't confide. You're mad at me, but I don't know why. You know the Spanish translation for the word fly. So I don't really want to bug ya. Don't act tough with your lasers, 'cause I'm not sure I really want to snitch. So keep a leash on my bitch, just like the social feed.